everyone, I'm Shauna, your independent Scentsy Consultant. Welcome to my channel. If you're new here, please like and subscribe. And this video is sort of an impromptu video. I hadn't planned on doing this, but I've noticed lately that a lot of the customers that are purchasing from my website are not bundle and saving. Like they'll buy 5 bars, but they didn't bundle and save. So in this video, I would really like to encourage that and show you how to go to your consultant's website. I love you guys, and I definitely want you to save money and get the most for your money, because you work hard for your money. So when you shop on like websites like Bath and Body Works, it automatically populates the free items for you. Not so with Scentsy. Without further ado, here we go. Okay, you guys, so when you go to your consultant's website, it's going to look like this. If you see here, it says shop, and if you scroll over, I hope you guys can see this, all the way to specials, you'll see bundle and save. Okay, so you've got the option to bundle and save a lot of different products. You can bundle and save laundry products, room sprays, etc. You can do a bundle and save of 3 bars, which only will save you $1. The bundle and save I'm referring to are the bars here, okay? So you say build a multi-pack, and it's buy 5, get 1 free, okay? So please always do that. And also I want to point something else out. If you see here, it says my parties. Please shop a party. If your consultant has a party, this is mine. Shop here, please bundle and save. But your consultant's party can be any number of things. They can choose what name they want and click confirm, because it just really helps the consultants out, okay? And so that we can buy testers and catalogs and that sort of thing. So you'll see here the screen does change a little bit, and you'll see these items. Don't let this deter you, because you still have the option to shop and do everything just like on the original website, and you can still bundle and save, okay? So that's all I have for you for this video, guys. I hope this was helpful. Please like and subscribe for the latest in the world of Scentsy. And as always, I pray that you and your families are safe and well, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.